Dear learners, now we are going to learn angles in a circle. Consider a circle with center O. Draw an arc PRQ. Join the end points of the arc P and Q to the center of the circle. You will get an angle POQ. This angle POQ is known as central angle. Now join P and Q to get the chord. Look, this chord is also making angle POQ at the center. This angle made by the chord and the arc is known as central angle subtended by arc PRQ or chord PQ at the center. See, the length of the arc is increased, then the central angle is also increasing. So, we can say that length of an arc is closely associated with the central angle subtended by the arc at the center. We define degree measure of an arc in terms of the central angle. The degree measure of minor arc is defined as the angle alpha degree, which is the central angle made by the minor arc. Look, this is the major arc PSQ. The degree measure of major arc is defined as 360 degree minus degree measure of corresponding minor arc. This is equal to 360 degree minus alpha degree. This is equal to 360 degree minus 92.74 degree. This is equal to 267.26 degree. It is shown by angle beta in the diagram. Let me further increase the length of the minor arc. Look, length of the minor arc is increasing and the arc is going to be the semicircle. Can you predict the degree measure of semicircle? Yes. Look here, the degree measure of semicircle is 180 degree. Look here, the minor arc PRQ is dividing the entire circle into two parts. One part is shown by the red, that is the minor arc, and the other part is major arc. Let me take a point A on the remaining part. Remaining part means the part of the circle other than the selected minor arc PRQ. Join PA and QA. You will get an angle PAQ. This angle PAQ is known as angle at the remaining part of the circle. This is shown by angle beta. This angle PAQ is known as inscribed angle inscribed by the arc PRQ. See, chord PQ is also inscribing the angle PAQ on the remaining part. We can give the statement that angle subtended by an arc or chord on any point of remaining part of the circle is called an inscribed angle. Let us now find out the relation between central angle and the inscribed angle made by an arc. Here in the figure, we are seeing the central angle made by the minor arc PRQ. Let me make angle on the remaining part of the circle. The angle is angle PAQ. Observe the measures of central angle and the inscribed angle. Do you notice anything? Look, central angle is double of the inscribed angle. Angle on the remaining part is 43.42 degree and the central angle is 86.84 degree. So, we can say that alpha, the central angle, is double of beta, that means the inscribed angle. Now, let me move the position of point A on the remaining part. See, the point A is moving, but the measure of inscribed angle is not changing. It is always the half of the central angle. Now, let me change the length of the arc. See, the length of the arc is changed, but still the central angle alpha is double of the inscribed angle. So, we can give the statement that angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at any point on remaining part of the circle. If I join the end points of the semicircle, then the line will pass through the center and that will be the diameter. You know the degree measure of semicircle is 180 degree. Now let me draw an angle PAQ on the remaining part of the circle. Can you predict the measure of angle PAQ? Yes, you know that central angle is double of the inscribed angle. So, alpha should be equal to 2 times of angle PAQ. Then the measure of the angle PAQ should be equal to 90 degree. Now let me move this point A throughout in the remaining part, that means in the semicircle. See, as you know, this should be half of the central angle, so it is throughout 90 degree. And we can conclude that angle in semicircle is right angle.